guys, welcome back, and here we're in China, Shanghai 2025 China Toy Fair Expo. And my name is Liyou, and what's your name, please?
Daniel,
Daniel.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. So what's the name of your company?
Liyou Industrial Limited Company.
Good. And what's the main product you have?
Indoor playground slider and home use plastic toys, furnitures, and so on. Yes.
Yeah, sensory toys, different kinds of slides, combined slides, and more, guys. So you can see here more. It's really like a beautiful paradise for kids. It's really great here. Have fun, enjoy, and do any kind of outdoor games you want, guys, because this company can help you with that. So first of all, probably I want to also, guys, pay attention to the thing that the company has all the license, all the certificates, so all the products are safe, durable, and kids friendly. Okay, so you can see here on the board, yeah, you see all the license here. It's pretty cool. And the first top product, we're going to talk about this slide. But first, I also want to guys ask you about when the company was founded.
2011.
Okay, so
Yes.
more than 15 years of experience.
Yes.
How about the main markets?
Main markets Europe, USA, Canada, Japan, and so on. Yes.
That's great. Good. You stop here.
Window. Yes.
Okay, and it's really important to ask about MOQ. So as long as you have really huge products, so how about the collaboration with other brands or companies? What about MOQ?
MOQ, any quantity is available.
Okay, so here we got a big one. This is the slide. So please introduce this product. I see it's pretty huge. Some metal here, some plastic,
Yes.
PV, and more. So please introduce the product. Yeah.
This is one of our new products in this year. You can see it's a big playground slider, and the new the slider is made by PP. It's made by PP plastic.
PP plastic.
Different from other supplies and other products on the market.
What's the difference?
It's not only non-toxic. The most important is its package size is very small. Very small. Yes, it's our advantage for the market for this product. Yes. It's also made by PP plastic.
Okay.
Advantage is same as this slider. Yes. This is different.
I see.
Yes.
I can win, guys, and try this slide. But my question is, for example, how about the load, the max load? So I'm like around 86 kg, so it's like 150
Max load
pounds.
Max load 100 kg. Yes.
Okay, 100 kg.
Yes.
Okay, but for example, how many kids can be there inside?
4 to 5.
4 to 5 kids.
Yes.
Next up product here, this is 4-in-1 Aero Connect game. So it's pretty cool. So you see here the magic wall, right? And you can play 4 games.
对，这个就是相当于我们的五子棋一样，但这个叫四子棋。对。
Nice, look at this. Okay. Ouch. Nice. Different one. And the transportation cost is going to be lower because this company knows how to make the smaller carton boxes with their materials. So it's pretty cool. Thank you.